Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing home with ocean view deck and barbecue steps to the beach. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Home with ocean view deck and barbecue steps to the beach is located in Surfside Beach, a 12-minute walk from Surfside Beach, 25 miles from Galveston Country Club, as well as 3.4 miles from Surfside Beach. This beachfront property has a balcony and free Wi-Fi. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this vacation home comes with a flat-screen TV with cable channels. The vacation home also features a well-equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge, as well as a hairdryer. Surfside is 3.7 miles from the vacation home, while Hercules Offshore Heliport is 4.7 miles from the property. The nearest airport is William P. Hobby Airport, 64 miles from home with ocean view deck and barbecue steps to the beach. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.